Hi, it's Deja Lett with Keller Williams Realty. Thanks for tuning into my video blog. Today we're going to talk about clarity is power. Hi, it's Deja Lett here with Keller Williams Realty. Before we get started on today's topic, I just wanted to bring your attention to a few links. If you're thinking of selling or just curious to know what your home is worth, please click the link that talks about your home valuation report. If you're thinking of buying, please start your home search here with me. Now back to today's topic, and thanks for tuning in. Clarity is power. You're probably thinking, what's Deja talking about? Well, I'm just going to tell you quickly. I take a lot of trainings. I believe in being a lifelong learner, and most of the trainings that I take have to do with your mindset, how you're thinking, because we all know that 90% of your thoughts really, truly dictate your destiny in life. I mean, it's truly 10% is what's happened to you. 90% is your attitude. So all these trainings that I take have so much to do with mindset. So my favorite bold law from one of my favorite trainings, I'm on my 6th time about to take this class, is clarity is power. And clarity is power is anytime you need more information to make a good decision, that's getting clarity. That's getting powerful. When you say, I want to lose 10 pounds, you have to reach out and maybe do some research or reach out to somebody that's done this before. And you say to them, I want to lose 10 pounds by this date. And they're going to tell you exactly what you need to do, maybe even a sequence of how you need to do it. It's almost like a recipe for success for losing weight. Well, how does clarity is power tie into real estate? Well, I'm going to tell you, of course. If you want to sell your home, there is going to be a certain recipe for success to do that too. And in order for you to know what that recipe is, you're going to want to reach out to me, a professional real estate agent that sells many homes in your area. And you're going to want to ask me, what are the things that you need to do to get your home ready for the market? That's getting clarity, and that's really powerful. If you want to buy, there's some things that you need to know from the beginning in order to be successful in buying a home. Number one tip is you're going to want to get pre-approved first before you talk to a realtor. So that's clarity is power. Getting very clear on something that you want gives you so much power to make the most informed, best decisions for yourself. So if you're thinking of buying, selling, or investing in real estate in 2016, please give me a call at 207-553-2602. Be happy to help you and look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.